free, humility, angry. Mighty, mighty rescue, rescue me. La 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 la, la 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 la.
La 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 la.
Oh my God.
How did you guys find the time to pull this off? This is why we went to go get pedicures, isn't it?
Nope, we got pedicures because we're worth it.
I got gels.
You guys are something else. To be honest with you, I am gonna miss the beach view. But so what? It's still there. It's just not right there when I wake up and look out my window.
Well, you can still look out your window and see me and Bob.
Right. So, you know, pluses and minuses. Okay. See you later.
Oh. Well, this just got awkward.
That's really insensitive. Want to go get a bite?
Forget it. Let's just go home.
Guys, I'm just messing with you. Get in here.
I knew it!
Be roomies.
Roommates! Oh, I can't wait to make a chores list!
Wait, hold on
I'll
a
move
second.
my nest in the master bedroom. Bomb, you can stay in the guest
No,
bath.
no, no,
Oh,
no,
can we
no.
get a bunk nest?
Oh, this is gonna be
Whoa, whoa,
perfect.
whoa, whoa, whoa. Guys, no!
Oh, yeah.
What's
this, from right at you?
Changed that stupid lock. I should have made you leave your key. If I'd have known for just 1 second, you'd be back to bother me. Go on now, go. Walk out the door. Just turn around now. 'Cause you're not welcome anymore. Were you the one who tried to hurt me with your pride? Did you think I'd crumble? Did you think I'd lay down and die? Oh, no, not I will survive. I promise I know how to love. I know what to alive. I got all my life to live and I got all my love to give. I will survive. I will survive. Go on now, go. Walk out the door. Just